Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Banana Milk Beauty. My name is Megan and today I'm going to show you my take on a natural makeup look. To prep my skin, I'm using the Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rosewater to add a boost of hydration. Next, I'm using my Vaseline lip therapy to moisturize my lips because you cannot focus on the grind with chapped lips on your mind. Now I'm going in with the Body Shop's Vitamin E Eye Cream to reduce puffiness and hide dark circles so everyone will think I have my life together. I like to tap eye products in with my ring finger because the thinnest part of skin on our bodies is around the eyes, and our ring fingers have the least amount of muscle control in our hands. Therefore, using your ring finger will help prevent wrinkles due to less tugging around the eyes. To wrap up skincare, I'm using my Badescu Hydro Moisturizer with Vitamin C, which will not only moisturize but brighten as well. Moving on to the makeup portion, I'm going to prep my skin with two different primers because I'm just really extra, and so my makeup goes on smooth and stays on all day. For the first primer, I'm using my Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer all over, and for the second, I'm using the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, mainly on the high points of my face to give a natural, fresh, dewy glow. Next, I'm going to brighten up my under eyes using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Light Neutral. Because this concealer is super full coverage, I'm going to dot the tiniest amount under my eyes and a little on the upper lid. To blend that out, I'm using a fluffy blending brush. You can also use a beauty blender if you want it to be more sheer or if you need extra hydration. To add some warmth to my face, I'm using the Benefit Hoola Quickie Contour Stick on my cheekbones, right under my chin, down the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead at my hairline. To blend that out, I'm using a fluffy foundation brush. The best thing about this product is that it blends so well and a little goes a long way. You can build it up to your desired intensity, or you can sheer it out if you went a little too heavy-handed. Next, I'm going to lightly fill in my eyebrows using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe by lightly flicking the pencil to create hair-like strokes. After about 3 hours, I'm finally satisfied with how I filled in my brows, and I'm ready to clean them up with a small amount of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer I used earlier. I'm carving out my brows with a small concealer brush, and then I'm using my fingers to blend it out because I feel like the warmth from your fingers helps blend it out a little easier and makes it look a little more natural. Now I'm ready to add some serious glow, and I'm using one of my favorites, which is the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Moonlight, and I'm going to put this pretty much all over my face. A little goes a long way, and I love to tap it in with my fingers so it really sinks into the skin and it looks like your skin is just naturally perfect and glowy. Now I'm going to switch things up and go a little out of order, and I'm going to set my face with the setting spray before I finish off with lip gloss and mascara. For my setting spray, I'm going to use the Glam Glow Glow Setter Setting Spray. I prefer to do lips and mascara last because I find they can get runny after you use the setting spray sometimes. For mascara, I'm using the original Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. My best advice while applying mascara is to look up and kind of tilt your head back while you do it because it will help the mascara not get on your upper lid. To wrap this look up, I'm using my go-to gloss, which is the Too Faced Papa Don't Peach Lip Gloss. If you've reached this point, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you all learned a new thing or two today. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, or comment down below. Bye!